Hi all, today we will talk about the like clause. So at the beginning let me kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel to get our new videos, and let us discuss our video today. So if we have a table, and this table is called the employee table, it had the full name and the salary. So if we want to write a select query that returns only the John Adams, we could write it as follows: select all from employee, and then where full name equals to John Adams. So actually this will work, but what should we do if we want to get all the employees that their first name is John? So how can we do that? So instead of this where, we could write where full name like John and a percentage. So the percentage, it will match any sequence of characters after John. So if there is 0 characters after John, or 1 or 2 or any number of characters at the rows, it will be returned. In the row it will be returned. So actually with like, there are two main components or two main symbols that can be used. So the percentage, and as I told you, it returns 0 or 1 or 2 characters, it matches them. And there is also the underscore. The underscore is matching exactly one single character. So let us see it in the SQL server. So if we have the employees, and we have 3 employees, so we can write select all from employee table, where full name like John and exclamation mark. So that will return the John Adams, as it starts with John and then there is a sequence of any number of characters. So let us return again to the employee. And what if we want to return the full names which have O as the second character? So how can we do that? So actually these 2 dashes, and after that a sentence, it is a comment, and it is not compiled by the SQL server. So we can write as select all from the employee, where so the first character, where like, so the first character, it can be any character, but it can be only a one single character. And after that we have O, and after the O we can have any sequence of characters. So let us try it. So yes, we now have John and Ronald. And we can also write a third query. We want to return the employees that have the first name is only 4 characters. So how can we do that? Select all from the employee, her full name, like. So actually we want at first to match exactly 4 single characters. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 underscores, and after that there will be a space indicating the end of the first name, and then any sequence of characters representing the last name. So if we run this query, we will get the John Adams and Rafa in the second row, because each of them has 4 characters in their first names. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.